Rockhounds, I'm Laura, aka Cackling Chick. Today we're gonna make a fun and easy DIY rockhound craft. Pet rock magnets for your office or refrigerator. I know you're looking for fun and creative ways to use all your rocks you've found. I mean, I know you have some beauties. What do you do with them? Why not turn them into magnets? Put them in your office, kitchen, give them away as gifts. DIY is best. Who doesn't like a homemade gift? I mean, especially today where everything's so expensive. And who doesn't like rocks? I don't know anybody who doesn't like rocks. Let's go! Rock on! Besides, you can never have too many magnets, right? Right? To make your pet rock magnet, you'll obviously need some rocks. Ha ha ha. The rocks you pick can be just about anything. Possibilities are endless. I happen to have rocks that have been tumbled in the rock tumblers that I have, or been sprayed with this. And I have a video on this where I just used a clear coat to polish the rocks. If you want to know how to tumble rocks without a rock tumbler, check out my video. It's in the description. I'll tag it up above here. Woohoo! It's a game changer. They don't even have to be polished. It can be whatever you want. Make sure your rocks are clean. Obviously these are clean because they've been polished or sprayed to have a polish. So they've been cleaned before then. But if they're dirty and they have, you know, covered in all kinds of dirt, they're not going to stick to the magnets. The glue's not going to work, and then the googly eyes will fall off, and then, oh my God, I don't have any pet rocks. Ah! Okay, I lost my mind. Jeez. You need small magnets. I happen to have some large ones here. These are actually really strong. These are less coarse and different sizes. It just depends on the size of your rocks. Googly eyes. What pet rock wouldn't have a googly eye? If you want to get really creative, you could even buy some felt, make little hats for these, cut out mouths. Maybe they sell mouths that are like the eyes. I don't know. Again, the possibilities are endless. I'm sticking with googly eyes. Last but not least, glue. I did some research and I found when I was standing at Home Depot, I was reading the labels and I also went on the rock tumbling hobby forum. It seemed like the general consensus was this is a really good glue to use for rocks. It's flexible. As usual, make sure you read, not upside down. Make sure you read the label, you know, harmful vapor, blah, 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 whatever. This is the glue that I recommend. Put these in my Amazon store, link in the description. These I got at Hobby Lobby though, so I'll try to find some magnets that are similar enough that are highly recommended for refrigerator magnets. Make sure you get something to protect the surface you're working on. I'm using a paper sack as you can see here. All right, next you need to figure out which surface has the most character, or if you want it smooth, do that too. Just keep in mind that you need to pick the surface that has actually something that the magnet will stick to. Like this one, I don't know, I might have to pick like this surface instead. And then put the googly eyes on there and play around with them and see what you get and see if you get anything funny. And then you can start gluing, but let's put them together first. Okay, that is funny. That's a good one. I love this. This is awesome. This one looks like ice cream cone. I don't know. Figure it out. All right, I'm gonna go through and glue these on. I have them in the positions that I want them facing, like this. So I'll either put 1, 2, or 3 eyes on them. So here goes. By the way, a toothpick might be handy for these little tiny surfaces. So I'm gonna do that. Like that. This isn't like super glue, so you don't have to worry about it getting on your skin, but you know, it's probably best to not get very much on your skin or wash it off right after. Again, read the back of it. Look at that, a mouth. I love it. You could even put them close together, far apart. You got some playtime with it. So it just depends on what you want. I think I like them farther apart. Too funny. There's some extra glue there. Oh well, it'll dry so nobody will know. Can we put this aside? See? Look at the pattern on the rock. That's a mouth. I love it. Oh my gosh, this is so funny. This one's probably my favorite. I mean, hello. That is hilarious. Look at that. Oh my goodness, that is hilarious. Whoa. Okay, we have 3 of these so far. What do you think? I think they're turning out really well. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love them. Funny! Hey, if you like this content, I would really appreciate it if you'd subscribe and like so others can learn how to make pet rock magnets. Woo! Thank you! I appreciate you guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, I'm finding it easier to actually do this. Go like this, just a little bit, and then like that. And then just gently put those on there like that. This is much cleaner version. And then you can move the eyeballs the way you want them, close together or not. Yeah, that's much cleaner than a toothpick. Sorry about that. Just learn as you go. So when it's a magnet, it could either be like that, like that, like that. Look at this. Hilarious. So fun. And look, I made it crooked. See the little mouth? And I've decided that these rocks, I don't want to put googly eyes on. I'm just going to make them into magnets because I think they're beautiful as they are. There's that magnet. Agate one. Yeah, I don't want to put googly eyes on that. So I'm just going to make it a magnet by itself. Can't even talk, jeez. Anyway, there you go. While the eyeballs are drying, I am going to put glue on each magnet and set the rock on top. And then we'll watch them dry. Just kidding, we're not gonna watch them dry because it says it takes about 72 hours for it to set up. So we'll see how fast that goes because I live in a hot climate. But anyway, here we go. Don't need a lot. Make sure to wipe this so it's clean so it doesn't get permanently stuck on there. So get a paper towel and wipe it. Time to put them on the magnets. Stick. Okay. I think that'll stay. As long as they got a flat surface, I think they're better to do it this way instead of the other way around, especially since the eyes are still drying. This one cracks me up. Because the rocks are just sitting on there and the eyes can still dry without getting smushed. Hello, 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 hello. And this glue is gonna dry clear. So even if you get a little sloppy, it's not going to matter. Nobody's going to go up to it and look at it real close. Look at that. Hey, what are you staring at? Hi. Where's that one? There it is. Oh, see its mouth. Oh my gosh, this is so funny. Okay, so let's let it dry. And just like that, they're done. Look at those. Oh my gosh, those turned out better than I thought they would. Look how strong they are. By the way, if you have a refrigerator like this, brushed nickel or whatever it's called, gotta be really careful. This stuff scratches really easy. So just keep that in mind, I warned you. And if the magnets are too strong, they can actually interfere with the appliance. So read up on it, maybe get some less powerful magnets than I have here. You couldn't even find something this cool at a gift shop. Look at that. You guys, I challenge you to make your own. Seriously, go find the rocks like I did with these, get them all shined up however you want, and make these. They're worth it. I love them. Rock on!